Hi guys, this is Shwetank from Varanasi and today is a lovely day and I have got my motorbike with me today. So I'm just going to the countryside which is in the southern part of Varanasi and I will be showing you the lifestyle in the villages and away from the city. So come and please join me. Alright, so we are driving and on the right hand side you can see the villages and they are also growing some crops over there. On the left hand side you can see the children, they are playing in the field just right over there. Take a look at this lovely pottery work. This is like they have got some different kind of pots and lamps for Diwali, and they have got also some chilams there, and there is piggy bank. So people do a lot of pottery work in the villages, and you can see the girl over there in the village. This guy over here, little boy, is selling peanuts. He's just selling peanuts over there. It's a boy or girl maybe, I don't know. Look at this green field on the left hand. On the right hand side they have got mustard crops over there. The yellow one you can see there, those are mustards. This is my motorbike and I'm driving at around 30 km per hour at the moment. And you can see there, it's open field. So Varanasi is expanding and they are probably going to make city in this area also, but that will take some time. But thanks to all these farmers and villages, people who are still participating in the development and agriculture of the country. So there are small schools. You can see that's a small school there. So there are many small schools in villages which are run by government. They are funded by government. And there are not a lot of good schools in the villages, so a lot of people who live here, they run towards the city. Have a look at this market here. So That's a small market here. People are doing shopping. They've got some jeans over there. They've got some sandals. This guy over here is selling pani puri. So on the left hand side you can see water buffaloes. They are just chilling out in the day. So milkmen, they kind of take care of them and they milk them. And most of the yogurt or curd or cheese, we call it paneer in Hindi, we use in India, it's like mostly from buffalo milk because it's much thicker. And you can see a small water buffalo here, baby one. And there's another one there. And this one is little one. There's another one here. So they're just chilling out here. This is how they feed cows. So a lot of people, they ask me, what do the cows do in the city? So a lot of cows which are in the city, they basically eat what people give from, like from leftover from the houses. But cows in the villages, they get really healthy food. So they get grass and they get different kind of, eating materials for, special eating materials for cows. We call it curry. See another one here on the right hand side. They're all chilling. It's a lovely day today. Kids are playing here on the left. They're trying to play cricket. Here is something interesting. So you can see a lot of cow poo here on the left hand. So this is like, they use it for cow patties. We call it upli or gohari, and that is like especially used in India for fuel. So people use these cow dungs for fuel here, and it's really healthy also. So in olden days, we wouldn't get a lot of gas in the kitchen, like LPG. So people used to use cow dungs for fuel purpose. right, the houses where people live. Little doors over here. So I have to move the camera because riding motorbike and holding the camera is not easy. So I'm just going to stop here and I will be keep continuing the journey, and hopefully you enjoyed the motorbike ride with me, and I will see you in the next video. Stay in touch. Bye bye. Thank you.